Hey guys, it's my geography channel again, and in the last time, not Roblox, the last time we were on the Nile River, we were learning about it, all the countries it goes through. Now our next geography is going to be about Eritrea, so we have to go to the Horn of Africa. Hey, Eritrea is a country Eritrea is a small country in northeast Africa, surrounded by three countries. Eritrea borders Sudan to the west, Ethiopia to the south, and Djibouti to the east. The capital and largest city of Eritrea is Asmara, and it's located in the central region. And Eritrea also borders the Red Sea up north. And then the second largest city is Keren, located in the Anseba region. And in Keren, you can also see the Anseba River right here, because the Anseba River is in the Anseba region. That's why it's called Anseba River. Not all, but some of Eritrea is a desert in the northern Red Sea region, in Anseba, even Gashbarka, with the border with Sudan. The biggest and longest river tends to be the Barka River. The Barka River is a river in the Gashbarka region, which goes into Sudan, and which is sometimes called the Black Nile River. Then the Barka River becomes the Ahbara River, and then it connects with the the Nile River. So there's the Blue Nile, the White Nile, but sometimes the Ahbara River is called the Black Nile. But anyway, let's talk about the regions of Eritrea. So this region over here is called the Northern Red Sea region. The capital is Misiwa, and over here is the Southern Red Sea region, and the capital of the Southern Red Sea region is Asab. The capital of the Central region is Asmara, and the capital of in South region is Adi Yagori. The capital of Gashbarka is Barentu, and the capital of Anseba is Keren. Keren is the second largest city right after Asmara. It's located in the Ansaba region. The Ansaba region borders Sudan up to the west. Eritrea is a diverse country with 9 tribes. The official I can't remember all the tribes, but I'll say the ones I know. There's Tigrinya, Nara, Afar, Kunama, Tigray. Let's see. Oh, that's all I know. Oh, and you can never ever forget Bilen. The capital of the Northern Red Sea region is Misiwa, and then Eritrea actually has 365 islands in total. The biggest ones are the ones right off the coast of Misiwa and right off the coast of the Northern Red Sea region. Eritrea has access to the Red Sea, and the Red Sea isn't actually red. It's just called that because in Greece, Eritrea means Red Sea. So the Red Sea isn't really red if you're really talking about it. But the Red Sea is a long sea. The Red Sea is a river between Africa and Asia. You guys might be thinking, is the Middle East part of Asia or not? To answer your question, technically yes, the Middle East is part of Asia. You're probably thinking no, but it is. They're not Asian, but it's part of Asia. Like, a country can be part of a continent, but not be from that continent. Like, for example, we'll do Algeria. Algeria is a country in Africa, Northern Africa, but they're not Africans. Sometimes they're called Northern Africans, but they're not really Africans. Well, this is about Eritrea. Eritrea has the Dalol. Even though it's in Ethiopia, it goes into Eritrea, even Djibouti. And right here is a river. This river is separating Eritrea and Ethiopia. See, I don't know Amharic, so I don't know what that says, but this is the Merab River. The Merab River is a river between Eritrea and Ethiopia, separating it. And there's also a river right here. It's also another river separating Eritrea and Ethiopia. It's called the Setit. The Setit is also another river separating Ethiopia and Eritrea, obviously. Unfortunately, Eritrea does, I think they have a river with Djibouti too. It's called, I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's called the Kwimena River. It's the river separating Eritrea and Djibouti. And there's also a city called Rahato. It's a city in Eritrea, southern Red Sea region on the Red Sea. It's really close to the border with Djibouti. It's a small town. It's not big. There's not a lot of residents there. The most residents in Eritrea are located in cities like Asmara, Misiwa, Karen, Barentu, Nafka, Algis, Adiorgi, Ad Gwahad, and Misiwa, Tito, Tio, Adi, like those cities like that. But Rahato for me is a special town. But there's not much to do over there. So anyway, yeah, that's geography about Eritrea, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. And then the next video is going to be about Ethiopia. See ya.